Okay, love bugs, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley. If you're tuning in for the first time, nice to meet you. Today we're going to be doing a cute little hair tutorial. It's going to be a start to finish beginner friendly install. We are rocking the water wave, and as you guys can see, it's super fire. Although this is a glueless install where we use the yellow bottle of the Irvine Wonderlays, it kind of gave me like a facelift. I use a different technique than I typically do for my glueless install, and I feel like it just snatched my whole face back. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed it, what product I put on the curls to give me a nice, soft, beautiful wave pattern, keep on watching.
Boy, say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no, cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like
ay, one time like, two time like, ay, me pop up. Say let me put you in position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, hoe I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ay, old school weed, sending nothing but some G's. Any full pack of top papers, about to put some P's in it. Twerk it for me, baby, and make sure you put your knees in it. I got leg room, I could probably fit your knees in it. What y'all know about that country shit from by the river's edge? Thought I told you colder than a winter out in Winnipeg. Popping like you better be when you the proper pedigree. Blowing sweet and sour while I'm chewing on that sesame. Know that God blessing me so they can't get the best of me. Sometimes he be testing me so I perfect my recipe. Cocoa butter cutter, got it.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say yes, I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth.
Okay, love bugs, so we are done slaying this look, and I loved this method of install. I feel like if you watch hair tutorials, you guys know a lot of us girlies, the hair gurus, or you know, beauty influencers, or whatever you want to call it, we all have our different techniques, styles, ways of installs. Even when it comes to glueless installs, there's a method to the madness. And for me, for example, typically I will cut up all the lace, and then I will install center, and then I'll do one side, doesn't matter which one first, and then the opposite side. The reason I prefer to do it that way is because I find that I never have to go back in and touch up. Once I bond it down, it's bonded down and it's locked in. Whereas when you bond it down and you apply your adhesive and then you let it dry and then cut off the excess lace, typically you have to go back in and clean it up and reapply your adhesive. So to me, it's just it takes more time to do side, side, side than it does to do the whole thing. But in a way, it's more efficient in my mind. And so the Virgo in me prefers it that way. But every time I do it this way, I do find sometimes, a lot of times the lace will come out a lot more like flawless. Like it'll give more of a, what do you call it, like an adhesive, like a glue install opposed to a glueless install. So today I went ahead and did that. I applied the adhesive with the lace still attached, and then I took it a step further by going ahead and separating what I would consider baby hair, kind of tweezing it up a little bit to give it a vibe. And as you guys can see, both sides came out different. Now, of course, I can take hair from here and kind of go in and redo it. But I just left it for now just so you guys can see the difference. They're definitely cousins, probably not even sisters. And I find that often they won't come out perfect, but of course from here in this point, it would just be up to me to go ahead and even them out. I definitely kind of like this one more. This one is a little bit more separated and broken up. This one just gives a whole vibe in my opinion. Even straight on, I think I did a great job at like the plucking and tweezing and giving like somewhat of the Instagram, you know, baby hair, but with my own twist. Now, we already know this one came from Celie Hair. This one is 22 inches in length. It's water wave, and it's a 13x4 lace front wig with dimensions of 180% density. And it feels like everything is accurate on their end. It actually feels longer than 18. It goes all the way to my lower back. So it's like it's 18, but they threw in an extra 2 inches or so. They hooked your girl up. This also came in the box, and it is a dust bag. Inside the dust bag, you do have a purple bonnet. We do have a pink rat tail comb with a blue edge brush. It's so funny, I just said I wanted to start teaching my daughter, Dakota, she's 5. I want to start teaching her how to do hair like little by little. I want to buy her a wig head and just keep it like with me, but like when she likes to like sit under me, like teaching her how to do baby hair, teaching her how to comb hair, put hair into a ponytail, slick it down, wet it, you know, just different things. She's very smart and very curious, so I feel like I might as well put that curiosity to use. And you know, teach her some life skills. She'll have to do her own hair one day. But they also gave the mink lashes. They also gave duckbill clips. I think the yellow generally is my favorite, or dolphin clips rather. And then they also gave a pair of wig caps. Let me know what you guys think. Here is a look from the back.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love.
So here's another look at the hairline. Let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer it this way? This way? I would say the right side is the best. Or do you prefer no baby hair at all? I'm gonna let you guys go from here. My cute little pajama set, and I have the shorts on, you probably can't see, but it came from Target. I was in a matching pajama set mood one day, and I was feeling a little down, so I treated myself to like 6 pajama sets from Target. I got all the cute ones that were in stock. So that is kind of like one of my mini obsessions. I'll have this one in the description box. Ashley, if you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.